Hello viewers, welcome back. We are now summarizing our course. We've done whatever we've gone through, and we are now concluding that the course really ended. We hope you really enjoyed this course, and we certainly love sharing all of this interesting material with you. Hopefully, you are now able to identify the main parts of the Excel interface, difference between workbooks and worksheets, and also the ribbon, the name box, and the formula bar. And we hope also that our message has been loud and clear about the advantage of using the keyboard over the mouse. If you started using the keyboard for the first time in this course, definitely just keep it up, and you're really going to thank yourself later as you get so much efficient with the computer. And also remember that these PDF files, the Excel sheet that we've been developing, is going to be shared to our Telegram channel. You can go there, download. As you do yours, you can be able to check through to see what you've done and what you failed and what you've done right, because we believe this has been an interactive tutorial whereby you'll be able to download the template from our Telegram channel. It is connected to that same channel that you are watching. It is there, and the link is there. So you can check in the about section, you check there is a link, you join the Telegram channel, download, and there are also other useful materials as far as accounting and finance is concerned. Secondly, you have to understand that there are many different settings in Excel. There are very many, and they are pretty overwhelming. Hopefully, in this course, we are able to take you through the most important settings that you are going to use as far as financial analysis and financial modeling are concerned. One of the things that we also able to do is show you how we showed you how to customize your quick access toolbar. We started by setting it up with increasing decimals, decreasing decimals, and also finalized with the print preview. But now that you have known how to actually work around those things, you can start to load that quick access toolbar with other things that can actually help you get more efficient. So we also went through in this course some of the most basic features and functions within Excel that we believe they are always used as far as finance and accounting is concerned. And again, there is so much within the software of Microsoft Excel. It's great to be able to focus. It's always great to actually focus on those that we believe that they are more commonly used, or they are most relevant as far as financial analysis is concerned. And finally, just to summarize things up, we hope you have also enjoyed some of the most advanced features in the software, like tracing precedents, tracing dependence, print settings, and also the print preview within the software. And as we mentioned, it's just been great to be able to share some of the exciting Excel materials with you. and we see you soon in the next course, because we are going to look at some more advanced courses that are going to actually add some more knowledge to our understanding, because we haven't done, there are certain things we haven't done. We are going to look at so many as far as Excel is concerned. So we'll see you in the next video. Endeavor to subscribe, like, share to others. They also have the same benefit you have actually gotten from our course. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.